SafeTouch is trying to change the way surfaces are being cleaned. If you actually look back how people clean surfaces, they want to disinfect them. They typically use chemicals and water to clean them up, and that happens usually manually after every few hours. If you, for example, are in a hospital or in a clinic or in a kindergarten or in other public places. SafeTouch is trying to integrate smart self-disinfecting surfaces on those high-touch surfaces so they remain at all times disinfected. So those microfilms, they have two unique features. The first is that they integrate microresistors that they can heat up extremely fast. For example, this surface can reach temperatures up to 150 Celsius degrees in less than a second. And that happens because of the microscale heat transfer that takes place in those films. The second novelty is that they require a very small amount of energy. So even when the surface has reached that temperature, the disinfecting temperature, if you touch it at that point, actually you don't get burned. So you don't feel the hot surface while it's being active and while it's being disinfected. From a technical standpoint, we are trying to make those films to be made out of glass, because glass can withstand high temperatures, and at the same time make them flexible. So we want to make them bent so we can integrate them on different curved surfaces. So this is the first tricky part. Also, the other tricky part that we have to explore, how long those surfaces will last after maybe thousands or millions of thermal cycles. Because we use a lot of materials that are being integrated, so we need to test the robustness and aging properties after many thermal cycles. So the big challenge is that high-touch surfaces, they transmit pathogens, and people get sick and eventually die from infections. So hopefully SafeTouch can replace any high-touch surface that can be either in a hospital, in a clinic, in any public space or any high-traffic area. So by replacing all those high-touch surfaces with the IST microfilms, hopefully you can reduce the number of infections and eventually you can reduce the number of people that are dying from infections.